Guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to arrange layers in Wix. So let's get started. Right now, I'm on the Wix website and I have in here the website that I already created. So for right now, let's just edit this site right here. So click on select and edit site. And then this will actually direct you to the dashboard of your site. So from in there, we can actually head over and see that we can actually design the site by just clicking the design size or edit site button, which is located at first setup in right here. Now flip out edit site right here. And then once you have done that, it will open the Wix website editor. So let's just wait for the Wix website editor right here to finish loading. And once it's finished loading, we'll be able to arrange our layers. So here it is right here. So the buttons are just loading for a while. So what we can do next is we can actually head over and see that it's loading, and in a few seconds we can see it. So our site has been fully loaded. So the next thing you can do is you can click on the tools right here. So just click on tools, which is in here. And then from in there, you should be able to see the layer. So check out layer right here. Then in here, you can see the layers that we have in Movix. So from in there, you can see the header, Wix size search, horizontal menus. If you want to arrange that, now for example, you want to arrange this watermark here and put this at the very last part, then actually head over and just hold this and then drag it to wherever you want to put this into, just like that. You can also do the same in here on the strips that you have. So you can arrange layers through this way. And let's try to see how it looks like on our page right here. So we can rearrange this one. You can rearrange this however you like it to be rearranged, and it will be applied to your site. So once you're done with everything, you click on publish, and you will be able to see the changes that you have made on your site right here. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to arrange layers on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.